Automate WhatsApp messages with Python in 3 steps. Send WhatsApp messages to contacts and groups using Python. One of the coolest things you can do in Python is automating everyday tasks. Probably the most common task we do every day is sending messages on WhatsApp, although this task is as simple as picking up the phone, typing, and tapping on the Send button. We could sometimes forget to send a message on special occasions, birthdays, anniversaries, etc. Can we schedule a WhatsApp message with Python? Sure. We only need to install a library called PyWattKit. Then we can schedule messages to send to any of our contacts or even to a group. Here are the 3 steps you need to follow to send WhatsApp messages to contacts and groups using Python. Step 1. Install PyWattKit. To install the last version of PyWattKit, open up a terminal and run the following command. Pip install PyWattKit. The installation might take seconds or even a minute, so be patient. Once the library is installed, you can check out all the dependencies this library installed with the command pip list. Step 2. Send a message to a contact on WhatsApp. Before we start sending messages, you have to log into your WhatsApp account through WhatsApp Web. If you're not logged in, your phone isn't on the same Wi-Fi as your computer, or the phone is far away from your computer, this method won't work. To send a message to a WhatsApp contact with Python and PyWattKit, we use the send.msg method as shown in the code below. Insert your contact number instead. Step 2. Send a message to a contact on WhatsApp. What this code means is, type message 1 foot and send it to contact X at 1852. That's it. After some seconds your browser will open and the message will be sent to your contact. Great. Now we can also customize other actions in the browser. Say we want to close the tab 2 seconds after sending the message. We do so, running the code below. Here the true indicates that we want to close the tab after X seconds once the message is delivered. The last argument, 2, represents this X number of seconds. Step 3. Send a message to a group on WhatsApp. We can also send messages to a specific group on WhatsApp, but first, we have to get the group ID. To find the ID, follow these steps. 1. Open any group you want and click on the Group Info section. 2. Scroll all the way down and look for the Invite via link option. Tap on that option. 3. There you'll see a link. Copy the link. The suffix part of the link is the ID of the group. Once you have the ID of the group that you'll use for this test, we have to use the send.msg_to_group method. This method is similar to the one we used in step 2, but now we insert a group ID. Just in case, below are the parameters we used in this tutorial for send.msg and send.msg_to_group. Filled circle phone _no street. The receiver's mobile number. Filled circle group _id street. The ID of the group. Filled circle message street message to be sent. Filled circle time _hour int 0 to 24 time _min int hour and minutes of the scheduled time. Filled circle wait _time int equals 15, the time it will wait until the message is delivered, set to 15 seconds by default. Filled circle tab _close bool equals false, If you set this to true, the tab will close after X seconds once the message is delivered. Filled circle close_time. Int equals 3 represents the number of seconds the tab will close after the message is delivered. Thanks for watching.